Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the sorry you're not eligible for TikTok error using this crazy app called TikTok Plus Plus. So this error here that I'm showing you on screen, you're going to be able to get rid of this using the TikTok Plus Plus app. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. It's super cool. So let's get right into it. So you can see right here, this is what the app looks like. It's really insane. And you can see right here, I have full access to TikTok. So that error is not stopping me. You also get verified badge, see your stalkers, delete shadow bans. So let's get right into it, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. It's completely free. You can see right there I am verified. So it's really cool, and I can't believe it actually works. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the app just so I can show you guys exactly to get it from the beginning. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. And before you download this, guys, you have to go ahead and open up the settings app on your iPhone, and there's a few settings you have to go ahead and change. So let me open the app, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So once you're in settings, guys, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and go down to the general section. So let me just go down here to general, as you can see. And once you're in the general section, guys, what you have to do is go ahead and find this option called background app refresh, and you have to make sure that background app refresh is on. It's super important. If this is off, it will not work, so make sure background app refresh is on. Now you can have this on either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data, it doesn't matter. Just make sure it's on. This is very important. I can't tell you guys how much, so make sure it's on. And once you've done that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and go down to the battery section. So let me just go down here to battery, as you can see. All right, okay, so once you're in the battery section, guys, what you need to do is make sure that low power mode is off. Now, you'll know this is on because your battery percentage will turn yellow, so make sure, guys, that low power mode is off. So I'm just going to turn it on. You can see my percentage turns yellow, so make sure low power mode's off. And once you've done that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and go down to the App Store section. So let me just go down here to App Store, and what you want to do, guys, is make sure that automatic downloads is on. Now, this should be on by default, but if it is off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. It's super important. And once you've done that, guys, you're all set, and all you have to do now is go ahead and go to this amazing site that I'm about to show you. So let me go to my browser, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So let me just go over here. All right, and I'm just going to go to my browser, and the site you want to go to is called IPAzilla.com. It has a ton of modded apps and games, guys. It's super cool. And once you're on the site, you're going to notice there's different sections. We've got games, emulators, tweaks, and utilities. Now, if you have a particular app in mind, you can just go ahead and search it up. You could spend all day looking at all the crazy modded apps and games the site has to offer. It's pretty neat. You can see right here, you can go ahead and like scroll around. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So you can see right here all the modded apps and modded games. So let's go up to the search bar, and I'm going to go ahead and search it up. So let me do that right here, as you can see. All right. And the app we're going to get, guys, is called TikTok Plus Plus, obviously, so search that. And then what you want to do is go ahead and press install right there. And once you do that, guys, once you press install, it's going to show you this progress bar, and it's going to say signing TikTok IPA. Now, if you guys don't know, an IPA is the file extension for an iPhone app, so make sure you don't leave the site, because at the end, it's going to ask you to go ahead and install a configuration profile. So let's just give it a minute for this to reach the end. You can see in the corner it says installing. As long as you have like a decent internet connection, this shouldn't take too long. So I'm just going to give it a second to finish. All right, almost there, almost there. Just going to give it a minute. And once the progress bar is at the very end, guys, the circle is going to start going around and around. So let's just give it a minute for that to start happening. And as you can see, guys, here comes the circle. And once this is over, it's going to bring up a prompt to install the configuration profile. So let's just give it a minute for that to start happening. And what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and press allow when it says, do you want to allow this? So go ahead, press allow. And once you do that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press close, and it's going to say profile downloaded. And now you just have to go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile. So let me open the app right here. And once you're in settings, guys, what you want to do is go ahead and find the message at the top. It says profile downloaded that should appear. So go ahead, press on that. And once you do that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press install. And once you do that, guys, it's just going to ask you for your iPhone password. So go ahead, put that in. And once you do that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press install again. And then there will be one final install prompt. So go ahead and press that. So let me just press this one. And the final one should be in red. So press that, go to your home screen, and you should now see TikTok Plus Plus on your device. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead, share this with your friends, get the word out. Honestly, guys, I'm blown away this actually works, but it does. So remember to get it. All you have to do is go to the site IPAzilla.com, go to the search bar, type in TikTok. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. And then all you have to do is go ahead and press install. And it's going to show you that progress bar, and you just want to wait until it reaches the end, and then you should get the prompt to install the configuration profile, guys. And all you have to do is go ahead and press allow, so you'll get the little circle that will start going around and around, and then you should get the prompt to go ahead and install it. So let's just give it a second here. All right, and then it will say allow, and all you want to do is go ahead and press allow, and then press close, and then all you have to do is go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile. So let me open it right here. You'll get that message that says profile downloaded. You just go ahead, press on that, and then all you have to do is go ahead and press install. It'll ask you for your password. Go ahead, put that in, press install again. Then there'll be the final prompt in red. Press that, and then you'll have it on your device. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead, share this with your friends, get the word out about this crazy method. Honestly, guys, I'm actually blown away this works, but it does. Super cool. I can't believe it, guys. Big shout out to team at IPAzilla. I'll be seeing you guys later, and peace out.